US imposed heavy tariffs on Japan and Korea, about 25%, due to which Asian markets seem to be low today as Japan's yen currency fell down. Talking about India, yesterday Mr. Donald Trump said that they are now about to close the deal with India. He said that already United Kingdom and China have agreed to their trade deal, so they are with it. But many countries other than India, there are 12 more countries which haven't decided yet. He is saying that now he would not wait for them. He will simply send letters to them, and if they agreed or not. So what he is saying that if from other side, if they increase the tariff on US, then he is saying that he would increase 25% more than that tariff. So really the global situation right now is very uncertain, as trade tariffs is being imposed on many countries. So that's why investors are cautious. But for a long time, investors who are there in the market for long term, there's it's a good time for them. If the market comes down, it's a good time for them invest on those dips, and in a long term run, I think these problems will be soon, it will be solved and everything will go fine home.